Hey, what's up guys? Austin here. So this video might be the start of a new series I want to try, and I'm going to call it Quick Concepts. So really all it is just kind of quick little informal lesson videos, I suppose, but really I just want to bring you guys in and show you either a concept I'm working on or an idea that I think is pretty cool that I want to share with you guys, okay? So let's just jump into it. That groove I was playing at the beginning, it's a fairly advanced triplet groove, and there's kind of two things going on with the left side and the right side. So on the left side, what I'm doing is playing an ostinato where the left foot is playing quarter notes, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the left hand, I'm filling in the second and the third eighth note triplets. And when you do that, it creates a nice little opening on the third triplet. So here's what that sounds like. Okay, so that's what's going on the left side, and that never changes. Now on the right side, I'm playing a groove that is based on quarter notes, and it's just got a couple little shuffled swing beats in there. So if I play just the right side groove by itself, it sounds like this. Okay, so when we put those two things together, it creates a pretty interesting groove. Okay, so that is a pretty interesting groove in and of itself, but when I was playing around with this, I wanted to go one step further with it, so I was thinking, like, what else can I do other than play, a simple quarter note groove? So I thought quarter note triplets with the right hand. So a quarter note triplet is when we accent every other eighth note triplet. So 1, ta, 2, ta, 3, ta, 4, ta, 1, ta, 2, ta, 3, ta, 4, ta. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try to do with the right hand while keeping this left side ostinato going. And this presents a pretty difficult coordination challenge. It took me a couple days to figure it out, but it sounds kind of cool when you get it down. So here's just the quarter note triplet on the right side with the ostinato on the left. So now we can play a groove with that quarter note triplet, and the challenge becomes to play the original quarter note groove and then shift in to this quarter note triplet concept and kind of go back and forth seamlessly between the two. So I'll try that for you and see how it turns out. So that's pretty interesting, right? It's pretty difficult to play. It's tough to execute, but if you can get it all lined up and in the pocket, I think it's a pretty cool concept. Now, there are other things you can do with the right hand. We could use the ride instead of the stack, which sounds a little bit smoother. So that's cool. You can also incorporate the toms and doing the same thing, going back and forth between quarter notes and quarter note triplets. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Just a quick little concept for you. So try this out at home, see what you guys can do with it. I'd love to see other ways you guys could apply this. So like tag me on Instagram or something and show me what you guys are doing with it. I'd love to check that out. And let me know in the comments if you guys like this format for this series, and maybe I'll keep it going in the future. It's a little bit easier to produce than like a study the greats or something like that. So maybe I can pump little videos like this out more often. All right, so that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.